Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by confirming power sources and connections so you can shut down cleanly. Check the A50 battery level on the headset and make sure the base station or mix amp is powered. Once done, verify the headset is actively connected to the base or console. This prevents accidental disconnects. Make sure cables are seated, USB and optical, because loose cables can cause the unit to stay awake or fail to respond when you try to power it off. You now power the A50 down by pressing and holding the headset power button for about 3 to 5 seconds. This is the standard shutdown method. While holding, watch the LED or listen for the shutdown chime to confirm it's turning off. Make sure the base station or mix amp shows the headset as disconnected. If it doesn't, release and try again to ensure a clean signal drop. This method prevents abrupt battery drain and keeps pairing intact for next use. You finish by confirming the headset is fully powered down and stored safely. If it refuses to turn off, unplug the base station power and, if accessible, remove or let the headset battery discharge. Doing this prevents a stuck state. Once powered, repair the headset to the base if connection problems persist. Make sure you charge the A50 before the next session so low battery doesn't cause unexpected behavior. This avoids most recurring power issues.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.